Hello and welcome! This is again the greenhouse from the last video where we made this mosaic river stone floor and wall panels. This time I'm doing the windows, but from the inside. You can see the windows here without the glasses, which is PVC, which is plastic glass, and here the glass is already glued from the inside into the window panes. So now you do have these ugly spaces where you can see the glue from the inside. From the outside you can't see it because of the window frames, but from the inside you do. And here I do want to cover them with some cardboard stripes in the same color. I did cut all the stripes in the correct length, and here I want to color them. So I put some tape upside down, put the board on top, so it is easier and faster to color all the sticks in one go. Very often for cardboard projects I do recycle or reuse material. This was cardboard that was in an envelope where someone sent me some documents. So this cardboard is not high quality, which I will show you in a minute. So here I'm taking all the pieces off and turning them around, and this is the part where the poor quality comes in. Sometimes the board just splits up in two parts or even more, as you can see here. And this is really annoying. So I do hope that the color acts like a glue and glues all these little parts together so it doesn't split up anymore when I do take them off again after I've painted the back side of the boards. But honestly, it didn't work. So I had to go through every single stick again, as I'm doing here, and repair the little bits and pieces where even after the second time the board split it. So then I can finally glue them in place. I do use white glue and it works perfectly fine. Every now and then the cardboard sticks do not fit in perfectly, so I do cut them to size and put them in again. And this is the roof of the greenhouse. I do the same procedure here, just with some larger cardboard pieces. I took a while to decide if I do want to have the same color here, this red, or if I want to stay with these brassy golden metallic tone, and I eventually decided to go with the same color as for the room, so that it matches better and it's more an inviting and warm color to me. That's why I chose it. Up there in the triangular piece where all the glasses do meet, I do want to put a wooden board. It is more stiff, more stable, and it will be strong enough to hold two miniature lamps. I do not want to permanently install the lamps yet, since I haven't made up my mind how the interior design will finally be. So I do want to put the cables in so that I can do the wiring and still move the cables around. So I'm using the space behind this wooden board to put the cables in. But before that, let's continue the remaining parts. After dry fitting the wiring, I realized that the nook at the end of the wooden board was way too small to fit both cables through so that I can still move them. So I have to widen it here a bit. Then it finally worked out. So the cables need to go further down, and here I'm creating another pipe or channel or coverage for the wiring. Then I do add some doorknobs from the inside, and we are done. So I hope you liked this video and also the techniques that I have used. And I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.